One of our long-term clients sent in this hat along with a few others for restoration. Hats like this, well loved and worn, are always satisfying to bring back to life. After an inspection and a colour fastness test, the first step was to brush off all the dirt and dust. This also helps to open up the fibres so the detergent can fully penetrate, especially around the sweatband. For cleaning, you'll always see that I use a sponge instead of a brush. This is because scrubbing with a brush can damage the fibres, making the fabric look fuzzy and causing it to fade faster. A sponge is much gentler but still does a really good job of lifting off dirt without causing any damage. Recolouring is where the transformation really happens. I matched the original shade using an unfaded bit of fabric from inside of the hat. To keep the texture soft and natural, I diluted the fabric paint with water and applied it in thin, even layers. After 2 coats, the colour was fully restored. Once reshaped, the hat was back to looking clean, fresh and ready to be worn again.